threats in cybersecurity started even before the internet, right? So before that, there were other types of hackers. What these guys did was they started with what we call networks. Now, networks doesn't come with what we know now. There are multiple types of networks. As you as a person sits down here, you're a network because there's veins in your body connected all the way from your brain down to your toes, sending pulses, sending blood, sending fluids all over your body. That is a network. Now, the first network that was hacked was what we call train networks, because a train can come from Ogbomoso here all the way to Lagos, then to Abeokuta, to Abuja. That is a network because it's connecting one state to another state. So now, the first set of hackers, what they did was they found a way to derail trains, to find a way to collide with each other, and they just cause damage. That was the first, by hacking the network of trains. Then the internet came into play, and people started. At first, it was not the internet; it was called the ARPANET, right? So the ARPANET was just an experimental version of the internet. So some guys that were working with the development of the ARPANET, they found a way to release a virus or a malware, so to say. And what that malware did was just randomly rampage through the internet and start crashing things. Then cybersecurity also happened at that time. When somebody created a malware, somebody also created what we call an antivirus of today. So that antivirus, what it did was just rally around the internet and look for where that particular code is and then deactivate it. So since then, cybersecurity has now been, or threats has now been increasing, so has cybersecurity.